Hello, my name is Jill and I'm from Hawaii, USA. I'm here in northern Ghana in a small town called Tamale. I'm here with my daughter Romy, volunteering at a wonderful girls' school called Multiti First Steps. For the last 3 weeks, I've been here as a teacher to some older girls, maybe from 14 to 19 years of age, teaching them some sewing skills and giving them the wherewithal to produce some goods using their indigenous fabrics so that they can sell and promote themselves and their career towards funding their new school, which is presently being built. My daughter Romy has been teaching 7 to 9-year-olds during the morning, and together we team up in the afternoon to teach older children who come to Multiti for after-school remedial help. The last 3 weeks has flown by, and I can only say I regret enormously having only ventured to Ghana for 3 weeks. The country is amazing. It is not only beautiful, the people are so incredibly friendly, welcoming, with warmth and hospitality everywhere you go. It is a wonderful country to visit, with so many sights to see. I can't wait to come back, especially to Multiti First Steps and see the girls all grown up.
We've had some amazing trips. The staff here has been wonderful. We went to Mole National Park where we got to see elephants about 20 feet away, warthogs and bushbok and many different animals. And we also got to go sit on a crocodile, which my mother had a lot of fun doing. And so we've just had a wonderful time, and we really recommend to anyone to come here.